Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope that you all are enjoying the best of your health. Dear students, it's a class of English for the students of class 6. The first segment of the today's lesson is a feedback to the task given to you in the previous lesson. And the task was given to you in the previous lesson was to write 12 sentences on the topic my house. The students, this is my house. This is first introductory sentence. I have a nice house in Lahore. Second introductory sentence. It is hi. ये बेटा जी 2 सेंटेंसेस हो गए. अब 5 सेंटेंसेस देयर के होंगे. तो फर्स्ट सेंटेंस इज देयर आर SEVEN ROOMS rooms in it. This is sentence number 3 and the first sentence using there. Next, there are two floors in it. This is second sentence using there. Now third sentence using there. There is a DRAWING drawing room in it. Next sentence this is fourth sentence using there. There are three bedrooms in it. Next sentence, there is a lounge in it. First sentence with and. It is pistachio. It is pistachio and green. Next with using and. It is white and broad. Next sentence with moreover. It is airy and spacious, comma, moreover, comma, it is lighted too. Next, it is old use of but, stylish. And the last sentence, closing sentence, it is a blessing oh Allah for me. The students, these are 12 sentences on the topic my house. I once again repeat these sentences. This is my house. I have a nice house in Lahore. It is high. ये दो इंट्रोडक्टरी सेंटेंसेस हो गए. Now there are 7 rooms in it. First sentence using there. Second sentence using there. There are 2 floors in it. Next sentence, there is a drawing room in it. There are 3 bedrooms in it. Next, there is a lounge. In it. It is pistachio and green. Use of and I have used color adjectives. It is wide and broad. It is wide and broad. Use of and. Next sentence, use of the connector moreover. It is airy and spacious. Moreover, it is lighty too. The students, there is a comma before and after moreover, and at the end of this sentence you will write TOO2. It is old but stylish. Use of but. Our last sentence, that is a closing sentence, it is a blessing of Allah for me. Dear students, I hope that you would have written these 12 sentences using the same structures. They may be different, but structure must be same. The students, now this is the homework segment. The students, you will write the forms of verb on your notebook. These are 21 forms of verb. You will write same as I have written for you. This is forms of verb heading. I have double underlined. There are 3 columns. First column is for present form, second for the past form, and third for past participle forms. ये तीनों हेडिंग्स ब्लैक पॉइंटर से नोटबुक को लेफ्ट पर डबल मार्जिन लाइन और राइट पर सिंगल मार्जिन लाइन, डबल मार्जिन लाइन 1 इंच के डिस्टेंस पर और सिंगल मार्जिन लाइन ½ इंच के डिस्टेंस पर ड्रॉ करेंगे. एंड दीज आर द फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब: ऐड, एडिड, एडिड, जमा करना, इजाफा करना, आस्क, आस्क्ड, आस्क्ड, पूछना, बिगिन, शुरू करना, बिगिन, बिगैन, बिगन, ब्रिंग, लाना, कोई चीज लाना, ब्रिंग, ब्रॉट, ब्रॉट. नेक्स्ट, कॉल, पुकारना, आवाज देना, कॉल, कॉल्ड, कॉल्ड. चेंज, तब्दील करना, changed, changed, changed. Come, आना. Come, came, come. Do, कोई काम करना. Do, did, done. Drop, कोई चीज़ गिरा देना, छोड़ देना. Dropped, drop, dropped, dropped. Fight, लड़ना. Fight, fought, fought. The students, you will not write the heading here once again. पिछले पेज पर हमने हेडिंग लिखी है फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब. यहाँ हमने फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब की हेडिंग नहीं दी. दिस इज प्रेजेंट फॉर्म फर्स्ट कॉलम, सेकंड पास्ट फॉर्म एंड द थर्ड पास्ट पार्टिसिपल यूजिंग ब्लैक पॉइंटर. पिछले पेज की तरह डबल अंडरलाइन ऑन द लेफ्ट साइड with 1 inch margin and single margin line with half inch distance from the edge. The next word is find, कोई चीज़ ढूंढना, तलाश करना, पा लेना. Find, found, found. Get, कोई चीज़ मिलना. Get, got, got. Give, कुछ देना. Give, gave, given. Next, go, जाना. Go, went, gone. Next, hear, सुनना. Hear, heard, heard. Next, help, मदद करना. Help, helped, helped. Next, hold, कोई चीज़ पकड़ना, थामना. Hold, held, held. Next, know, जानना. Know, knew, known. Learn, सीखना. Learn, learnt, learnt. Next, live, रहना. Lived, lived. Last word is look, looked, looked, देखना. Okay students, now this is the time to say you Allah Hafiz. अच्छा students, ये sentences और ये forms of verb आपने applied grammar वाली second part में लिखने हैं. Okay students, इन फॉर्म्स ऑफ वर्ब को आपने लिखना भी है और याद भी करके याद रखना भी है. अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाह.